So what I'm going to show you here is a bot that we created to help us with slide generation. So every sprint, we are looking to share out the work with our client. And ultimately, I'm just going to quickly, for the purpose of this demo, admit this slide maker bot to a Zoom that I'm recording in the background while also sharing my screen. So every couple of weeks, what we're looking to do is share out progress with our client. And as part of that, our engineering team, which is about 12 plus people at this point, has to join or create slides ultimately. And, as part of our normal sprint ceremonies, every week we have a share out. So what better way to get ahead of and save time on those slides by recording a meeting, summarizing what each person shares out, and due to the fact that more often than not, they're screen sharing, capture images for that slide. Now, of course, this could take any number of formats. I'm just using slides as an example, but there's certainly ways to generate emails that are formatted and beautifully designed as well as part of an output, but this is just one. So Zoom is one way that we're inputting output from our sprint into this, but kind of more simply, using Slack, you're able to give a few sentences on your update, maybe some results, and by attaching images, it'll go through to the slides. Real neat thing is a part of that, you can simply type out metrics and things like that, and it will generate a graph for you on your behalf. The other component here is that as a way to get beyond just good enough, there is some simple QA that happens in the back end. So once we get Opus to format the slide, there is an automated eval that we use, which grades the layout against an actual thumbnail of the slide. And that'll check for things like overlapping text, as well as image placement. That is just a very, very basic eval. And Claude recently had a conference, and I'll put a link in the post associated with this video to let you unpack more robust eval sets. It's really neat. And the main thing here is that we're trying to generate some artifacts passively, which will save everyone time and hopefully a little bit of headache. So as part of that, I have to continue recording, and you'll see that once I end that meeting, the summarization will come through live on this slide, and as well as a screenshot of what I was sharing. So typically what will happen is the text will pop up first, it'll disappear for a second, and then the image will come up on the right-hand side. So yeah, you see it there, and then very quickly it'll disappear, and then it'll come back with an image. And there you go.